Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sandy. I have here a pocket letter style flipbook that I made, and I made the pockets out of the pocket sleeves out of this mini photo album that you can get, in your I purchased mine in my local discount variety store for $2, and I guess you can also buy them in some stationery stores as well. So I use these pockets to create the flipbook. I'll show you how I made it. So this is the cover, and I just used my dies and some of my papers from my stash to embellish the front cover. And to keep the flipbook closed, I just put one of my altered paper clips that I made. And the good thing about this flipbook is that it's still nice and flat, as you can see, so it's perfect for posting, and it shouldn't cost you too much when you set it off because it's not so bulky. And the binding system for the flipbook is quite easy to assemble as well. So I'll show you the inside. So that's the back of the cover. This is one of the pockets that I made, so I've just paper layered the front of the pocket. Now I also didn't use a lot of dimensional foam dots or raise any of the embellishments up. I kept them flat, that way your book stays nice and thin. So that's the cover, and the back of that one I put some goodies. Actually it's their word dies I put in the back of that page. This is the next page, just kept that simple, and on the back of that I added some tags in here. And this is the next page, and the back of that I added some tiny mini envelopes that my pen pal can just assemble herself. And this is the last page, so there's 4 pages in all. And the back of that one I added some washi tape samples, so that one just goes in there. And that's the envelope for the letter, and I made an embellished tag, and I'll just write something on the back of there and some questions for her. So that's the book, that's the back. I just kept that simple because it's already busy with all of the lovely print of flowers on the back, so I've kept that simple. So that's my pocket letter style flipbook. I will also do a tutorial on the book to show you how you can also make one, but I just wanted to come on here and just show you what I created, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my creation. So thank you for watching.